What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to take the GTR out on its first show. It's at Frisco Hill Automotive or Auto Restoration, something like that. So we're gonna run out there. I've never been to this event, so I don't know if it's gonna be big, little, whatever, but we're gonna head up there. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like, share this with your friends. Today is also my stepdaughter's birthday, and she's being a hater and doesn't want to be on film, but she's 15 and she can deal with it. There she is. Happy birthday, kiddo. Thanks. Happy birthday. So, and on another note, one of the neighbors just bought a brand new Mustang yesterday. So congratulations to Andy. I don't think he watches, but congratulations. So we're gonna get it in the car, we'll start heading to the show, and we will catch up with you soon. We gotta do this. We're getting on the highway. We gotta do an on-ramp bomb. It's gotta happen. Okay. This is why you buy cars like this, to have fun.
Okay, do you want me to hold the camera?
Hell yeah. That's why you buy cars like this, because they're fun. It's just what you say you don't understand why we want cars like this. And this is why you have cars like this, because you have fun.
Stop, it died.
It didn't die, it just shuts the screen off to conserve the battery. Jeez.
I thought it died.
YouTube newbie over here.
Do you want me to keep filming? Okay, we're filming. Okay. Swag.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go to Cars and Coffee at our Frisco Hill Automotive. On the way, like I said, it's her birthday. Say hello.
Hi.
So we're gonna do highfalutin bougie things. So we're gonna go get coffee and you know, show up and be those people.
Okay. What are you getting from Starbucks?
I don't know. I don't ever go there.
Oh my God,
It's gonna be hilarious because we don't know what we're doing. Normally we're cheap. We're cheap people. We don't buy Starbucks. We're just doing this because it's your birthday.
Okay, well, I didn't ask for coffee. You were the one that was like, oh my God, do you want to go get coffee? You want to be bougie in our bougie car?
That's right. Don't forget when you do that, you need that. Like this.
I don't know how to do this.
You watch YouTube. What's wrong? We gotta go get our bougie coffee. I don't know why you're so embarrassed. This is supposed to be a fun day for your birthday.
It is a fun day.
It's a fun
without
day?
the camera.
Oh, we gotta have camera, we gotta have fun.
That's not fun.
We gotta get monetized so we can make some money here. We're gonna spend some money here at the Starbucks.
Wow, swag.
What?
I said, wow, this is swag.
Yeah, so what do you want from this place? Because I don't,
I
you know.
have no idea because I don't go to Starbucks.
Me either, because we're poor people. I mean, not really poor people, but I'm cheap, so yeah, we don't buy this stuff. Any ideas?
Good morning and welcome to Starbucks. How can I help you today?
Yeah. Hello, how are you?
48. I'm great. How are you guys doing?
Awesome.
Alright, here's the first one.
Hopefully these are good.
And the second.
Awesome.
And that card is ready for you.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Have a great one.
You too.
Thank you.
Bro, how's that $11 coffee?
Oh, it's fantastic.
Is it fantastic? Because I think it tastes like butt.
Okay, well, I mean,
You would think for $11 that this shit would be amazing.
oh God.
It's not. It's really not. It's really, really not. So, yeah, I don't know why this kid's embarrassed, man. We do this and we have a lot of fun. I mean, at home we fight because, you know.
Hey, listen, listen.
But we do stuff like this.
I'm just opinionated.
You're something. Pain in the ass. Something like that.
Listen, this is my birthday time. You better stop being like that.
Oh, I forgot. We gotta put this in fun mode.
No.
Yeah, Yeah, fun mode engaged. We had 71% ethanol in there. Right there, 71%.
So are we gonna race a fast car if we find one?
As soon as this Chrysler 300 gets the hell out of the way. Honoring up, homie. Hold on to your coffee.
Okay.
Sorry, Tahoe. Gotta go.
Holy mother of God.
Why do you look so scared?
Because I'm trying to hold coffee and film for you.
Oh.
How's that butt coffee tasting?
It's $11, so I'm going to drink it. There has got to be a fun car somewhere on this highway between us and the event. There's got to be, right?
Maybe. Hopefully.
I mean, it's a holiday weekend. It's 8:30 in the freaking morning. Everybody's off work, and there's a cars and coffee.
Yeah.
There should be something en route.
So you think you're gonna beat it?
What?
The fast car. If we find a fast car, you think you're gonna beat it?
I mean, depending on what it is, but I mean,
Maybe.
yeah. I mean, even if we came up on a Hellcat. So Hellcats are 707 horsepower from the crank. We know this is 626 to the wheels.
Mm-hmm.
Plus we're 600 or 800 pounds lighter.
Right.
So on average, a car loses 10% from the crank to the wheels because of all the mechanical losses, you know, the turning of all the, you know, the drive shaft, the transmission, all that
Mm-hmm.
stuff. So 10%, 70 off of that, you should be right there with it. So our weight advantage, we should be a Hellcat.
Cool.
Should.
Maybe.
Open to interpretation. Should.
You gonna need me to hold the coffees?
Oh, yeah. I just don't know why there's so much traffic at 8:30 in the freaking morning on a Saturday.
You just said it was a holiday weekend. What do you think?
We should be like home in bed.
I'm sure there still are people that are asleep.
Yeah.
Not everybody's like,
I want these trucks to move so we can.
go fast.
How do these people drink this shit? Alright, so we showed up here at the event. We're a little early, but first thing I see is the exact car that I was looking for. This was the exact Viper that I was looking for and wanted. This color combination, everything. This was the one. So maybe after the GTR, maybe, or maybe we can get lucky and something will change and we can have both. But this is the exact freaking car I was looking for. Yeah, so we just got back from the meet. Just getting home, and when I was driving past the house, I noticed that Easter is kind of like Christmas, because come home from the meet and there are car parts on the front porch. So not going to do the install today, but I definitely got the brakes and rotors in from spdbydesign. I just ordered them on Thursday afternoon, and they are here by Saturday. So thank you, spdbydesign, and I believe Chris Riggs is his name that runs that place. I appreciate you getting these here so fast. So I kind of want to open these up and see what they look like, because that box is massive. So let's get this opened up and see just exactly what we're dealing with here. Sit you down here. Oh man, look at those. Now these are designed to use the original hats off of the brakes that came with the car. I don't even need that. Man, look at the size of these bastards. Oh my God. These things are massive. I mean, they don't look that big when they're on the car, but my God, those things are massive. I mean, do they really? I don't really think they look that big when they're on the car, but yeah, now I can't wait to get these things on there just to see what they look like. I don't know if they're the same size of the stock ones or not, but let's see what these brake pads look like. Man, I'm excited. This is like Christmas. I mean, it's Easter, so it's, I mean, it's kind of, I mean, the kids got stuff this morning. Why shouldn't we? See, I'll get these things opened up. Like I said, like a kid in a candy store, man, when the parts show up. And hopefully there's going to be more of that coming soon. Because like I said, I want to get this car back, you know, almost to original, if not better than original, because so there they are. spdbydesign. So I had never heard of them until I had got the GTR, and everybody in the owners group, man, everybody just seems to love these guys. So thought I would try out their products for sure. And for $1,350 for the brakes, rotors, I did get lucky, and they had a coupon code for free shipping. So thank you to them again for that. But yeah, so yeah, I cannot wait to get these put on. Like I said, I ain't gonna be able to do it today because I gotta go to work. So it's unfortunate. I mean, I make good money, but I definitely have to work holidays, weekends, nights. So for all you kids out there that are watching this, keep your ass in school, because I might make good money, but my lifestyle is not very good. So I just got lucky today and was able to go to this car meet before I had to be at work. So for real, keep your ass in school, because you don't want to be like this guy. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, share this with your friends. Until next time, you guys have a good one. See ya.